I'm about to go to Seoul right now to go see Enhypen for 2 days. And I go find Sydney. She said they're gonna do a run through. So I'm making my way downtown to the Dome. You guys, we're at rehearsal and guess what they're opening with? And guess what I said they were opening with?
He said, drunk days.
Drunk days. I love being right about everything. Do you know the name?
No. It's not, right?
That's our intro.
You just saw it.
Is it Enhypen in the room with us?
It's like, I don't know what it is. I don't think go like this and then they jump.
Not that. I think you have the hands. I think you have the hands right.
No, I think that's literally. Am I not literally Jungwon? Like, that's what he does.
Jungwon, I'm so sorry. Please don't watch this. Nikki is rapping.
This is gonna be the best day ever, bro.
I can't believe this is the second song. I'm not making it out.
That's crazy.
I'm not making it out, girl. Bro, the way me and Allie just scream.
Yeah.
That's a choreo I do know.
Are you kidding?
Good morning. We forgot to vlog while we were getting ready like usual.
Yep.
But we are about to get on the subway. It's like 10 o'clock. Merch goes on sale at 11.
Perfect time.
Yes. About to buy some crop tops. I'm very excited. Fit check. It looks like I'm naked. And I'm like this.
Yeah.
And I am.
And that's all
Oh
I'm
my god, we're
and
giving
fit check.
We're giving naked tea today.
Dance for me, naked. I'm not wearing my shoes yet because they're gonna hurt my feet, so I'm wearing sandals.
Got sandals on.
Slay, but they're in here.
Sneakers. Okay, we've made it to the station. It's like 10:52. We're
merch
just
time.
we're waiting down here so we can buy merch before we go into the freaking heat. So I
you're
already
not
feel
here
how hot
too.
it is.
Yeah.
I'm not ready. Hopefully we get our merch. We're trying to buy a lot of things. Are you gonna buy the photo cards set?
Yeah, I'm gonna buy the photo cards. I did this for
Buy
Tasty
80
too.
photo cards.
I'm gonna buy 80 photo cards. I need them. I must have them.
Stay
I
tuned
have
for
a problem.
unboxing. Merch secured. On our way to pick it up now. All of the people lined up for the Dark Moon booth. Go Sydney. You guys, it's so hot and I forgot my contacts, so I can't wear sunglasses, which is disappointing. That's okay. Allie's gonna put her boots on so we can pick some pics. We picked everything up except the engine zone because it's not open yet, but the line is very long. I think we're gonna take pictures and then go to a cafe and then we'll come back for the engine zone later because it was way too hot to be waiting in that line. We're in socks. Okay, 11:51. Pictures taken, everything except for our engine zone photo cards secured.
Achieved,
we'll
yeah.
get those later. Allie has her boots on.
Yes, I do.
I don't know if you can see them. We're gonna go to a cafe and send some AC for the next 4 hours because we are dying.
Yeah, it's really fucking hot.
All right, we're here.
I look slightly busted because of the heat, but not as busted as I thought I would look. I love a croissant witch. I don't know if I've said this on the channel yet. I really like croissant witches. Finished full set. I never ever showed it. There it is, and it says dark blood right there. Can you see? And we have a peach iced tea here. And then we have this necklace that I worked super hard on. How is this possible? Bro. Okay. We're gonna eat lunch now. First bite of my corn Caesar salad. A bite for Jay. For Jay.
And a bite for me. Happy.
Mental illness looks like. It's okay, it's worth it, bitch. It's worth it.
Oh,
Call
yeah.
me mentally ill all you want. But come back now, y'all. You heard?
Last update.
I think it's on duplicate. No, I have no Wild West Sunu. That's unfortunate. Okay.
I'm up next. Let's see if I got any message cards in here. Oh, slay.
This is my meal. I call this girl dinner.
Girl dinner. Girl dinner.
Draw time.
Our lucky draws. 3, 2, 1. Oh, twos. Let's go.
Yo, Jay looks so good. Oh my god.
You're a Jay magnet.
I am. I'm so okay with that. That is a great picture of Jay. Hi, baby. I love how tiny they are. I want to get 10 more of these.
At the engine town.
We are NG.
Who do you hope that you pull?
Insung. Or Nikki. Oh, you said the Nikki one was cute, so maybe Nikki.
I don't know. I just want all of them. I hope I get a full set.
Oh yeah, that's what I want. Is a full set.
Stay tuned.
Do say it. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
I am a J magnet, bitch. Oh my god, why is this thing off? so cute. Oh my god, love. I'm keeping the J.
Allie went into Soundcheck so I can go to some place. I got a Yujo lemon tea and something here. Okay, I've left Sydney to go in because I can go in now. Could be time to throw up. I'm unsure. Unreal. Un-ding real. I'm gonna shit myself. No, because I'm gonna explode. This is not a real thing that's happening right now. The water thing is directly in front of us. There's like one person in front of me. Okay, so here's my view. There's currently 2 people in front of me. There's also considered some stairs, so they're probably gonna run up and go. Yeah, they're gonna walk around there. I've got everything prepared, but I don't feel prepared. I feel terrified. I also pulled this is my J for my lucky draw. Oh my god. Oh my god.
안녕하세요. 오랜만입니다.
Oh my god.
네, 안녕하세요.
That's fucking psychotic.
Oh my god.
오늘 프로젝트를 소원이에요, 제시. 눈치를 안 보고 이제 즐기고 갈 수 있도록. 잘한다. 그게 할 수 있어. 잘한다. 네, 여러분 공연 오늘 본 공연 다들 오시나요? 네. 여러분 다들 뭘 진짜 오셨나요?
Okay, soundcheck is over. It is 4:30, so I'm walking to go meet Allie so she can tell me all about it. And then we're gonna go to our seats for the show. I'm so excited. They all look really good and their hair colors are insane.
Okay, we reunited. I have no brain left. I'm really scared. That's my part. Yeah, Sydney's gonna come down from.
Blockbuster is actually me going on stage to write Young's part.
It's your part. It's only ever been your part. You've already been rizzed a little bit. You probably saw some of the video, but I'm gonna get my rizz that I asked for.
Get ready for some chaos.
If we don't make it out alive,
Post this vlog.
Henry, take over the channel, put us a nice memorial. I feel physically sick. It's starting in 5 minutes. Whose blood is it? Why is it not mine?
자, 인사드리겠습니다. 모두 안녕하세요. stop. Don't tell me what to do. 혼자 같은 저주 이 저주 속에 I'll be okay. No pain, no pain. 지금도 모여나야 우리 영실로 fade.
40-minute check-in. I'm losing my mind. My brain is out of my head. This is not okay. Tell me what you think of Peach.
You must be kidding me. You have to be joking. He's like
보고 있다.
네. 준비 시작.
시원한 바람이 불어와 우주팀 사이로 들리는 heartbeat. Please just stay with me, just stay with me. There's something 알아볼 거야, the feeling when special, yeah, yeah. So special, yeah, yeah. The feeling when we let's go, Jay! Woo!
I'm gonna start crying. He's playing the piano. Then you better get him.
이들이 예절도 잘 지키고 아주 가만히 잘 이렇게 부모님도 보시더라고요. 그러니까 저는
어때요? 공연 만족스러웠나요?
Make some noise! 나는 사랑이야!
반격하고 있을 거야.
감사합니다. Love you guys. Thank you.
Love you!
귀엽다. So cute. Oh my god, it's so cute.
모두 무사히 귀가.
네, 감사합니다. 이쪽으로 한번 보내서. 네, 이상했습니다. 그럼 지금까지 고맙습니다. 사랑해요. 마지막으로 Make some noise!
Bro, that was the best thing that's ever happened to me in my entire life. We will debrief, but I have no voice, no emotions left, and no mental health left. I'm freaking out. That ending meant, those ending interactions, I didn't film a lot of it because I was trying to have them, but oh my god. Just got out. I have to go find Allie. I don't know what to say about this yet. I'll wait till I meet up with her. That was insane. What the shoes? What the fuck is going on? I need to lay on the ground. I don't know what's going on. That was too close. It was too close. I don't know. I was trying to look for you, but I couldn't see you. I was like, I was like, also, criminal love? No, I need to lay on the ground. She's that bitch. She's that bitch. Who's your cousin? Sonu? Sonu! Sonu! Bitch! Bitch! Jay! I was screaming, Jay, you're so hot! Whole dome whipped for Jay. Yeah, including us. Me, naked in the egg. But when I tell you, I am actually, like, not even a joke, in love with Hisung, and he's in love with me.
Bombastic side eye.
Bitch, he was like, and they came out for what fucking song was it? In the Black Fits? Back with Thailand? Oh, the Black Fits. He was like, No, the first Black Fits, like, for attention. Oh, the first Black Fits. He was like, with the skirt. And I was like, bitch, Jake is my bestie. Bro. Once again, he always is. He got me through session. He serenaded me with that feeling when.
Criminal offensive side eye.
And waved down.
I didn't even talk about it.
When we...
Such a good one. Bitch. She's so annoying. When that came out, I literally just screamed, oh my god! Play Criminal Love again. Alexa, play Criminal Love.
Everybody wants to be her, but not everybody can be. Me.
Oh my god, I don't have any response. I need to lay on the floor for 4 hours. Concert done. We've arrived at a random pasta restaurant that's open at 11 o'clock. So we have pasta now. Okay guys, we are back. We're staying at Henry's.
Hi, Henry's not here. Henry's in the UK.
We are very tired and we are about to take all our makeup off and go to bed for day 2 tomorrow.
We have to get a good sleep.
Yes.
To give all of our energy towards the Riz that we're gonna receive tomorrow.
We're here. We're ready.
Juseyo, Riz
Okay,
Juseyo.
what are you manifesting? You have to pick one.
He's gonna takes my phone.
And then he sings 10 Months Love to it.
Because it might happen because I'm in the first one.
I'm manifesting that Songhoon sees my Shakan poster during like the beginning, and then during Shakan he just gets off stage during it and does that right in front of my screen. That's my manifestation.
I also want just Criminal Love
Over and over again.
Every song
Every
is
song.
Criminal Love. Repeat.
She's that girl.
She is.
She is.
She sure is.
Huh?
Sunny was jacked. I don't know if you guys know about
He's-
that. Sunny looks ripped.
Sonu might be the most buff.
He's going like, but he's like,
Yeah.
like
Ooh. Anyways, unfortunately, you guys are gonna have to wait till next week to see if our manifestations come true. So stay tuned for part 2, day 2,
Day 2
Enhypen
fades.
and Seoul. Yes. We hope you enjoyed today's video and concert vlog.
we know we sure did.
Yes, we most definitely did. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel.
Are you guys going to see Fate Tour?
Oh, yes.
Comment, let us know. If you are, where are you sitting? When are you going?
Yeah.
Where are you going? Are
Let
you
us
excited?
know where your seat is because we will let you know what's gonna happen to you.
We'll tell you what's
We'll
going to
tell
happen
you
in
the
your section.
tea.
Also, what song are you most excited to hear? Leave your bias in the comments.
Oh yeah.
Duh.
Bias favorite song in your section for Fate Tour. Ooh.
Find something in the documentary.
2, 1.